Hey guys, the mistake most small businesses make is choosing accounting software based on brand, not workflow. Step one, define how money flows in your business. Before picking software, answer this. Do you invoice clients? Do you sell products? Do you need payroll? Do you deal with multiple currencies or tax regions? If you don't map this first, any tool will feel quote unquote bad. Step two, core features you must have. Non-negotiables, automated bank sync, recurring invoices, expense categorization, tax-ready reports. Anything beyond this is optional. Step three, choose based on complexity, not size. Solo or freelancer, lightweight tools. Small team, invoicing plus reporting. Growing business, payroll plus automation. Overpowered software slows you down. Step 4, set it up correctly. This is where people fail. Connect bank accounts, create categories once, set rules for recurring expenses, automate monthly reports. Do this once, save hours every month. The rule is the best accounting software is the one you barely touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.